Good morning, children. Chapter number 5, the keyboard and the mouse. The keyboard and mouse are input devices. So, through this device, we can give any input to the computer. These are used for performing various functions. Now, see what are the functions? Keyboard. A keyboard has 104 keys, 104 keys a keyboard has. You have already learned that the keyboard has alphabet keys, number keys and some special keys. Let us learn about a few more keys on the keyboard. So, a keyboard contains number keys, special keys and alphabet keys. So, these are some keys. You can see caps lock, tab key, function keys are also there. Yes, numbered from F1 to F12, backspace key, enter key, space bar key, the long key is known as the space bar, caps lock key. So these are the keys of the keyboard. Now see what is the work of this shift key. Shift key is used with the other keys for different purposes. If you press and hold the shift key along with an alphabet key, it will type that letter in capital even when the caps lock is turned off. Now see, when the caps lock is turned off, with the help of shift also you can write capital letters. How? You will have to press shift key along with a particular alphabet key. Now here you can see shift plus B gives capital letter B. Shift plus A will also give capital letter A. Similarly, till Z you will get like this. Now see, when the caps lock is turned on, just the reverse action you will see. Shift plus B will give small letters if the caps lock is turned on. Next, symbol keys. So these keys have special signs and symbols. Some symbol keys are to the right of the alphabet keys. Some you will get to the right of the alphabet keys, such as slash, front slash, then colon, semicolon. After colon it will be semicolon, inverted comma, greater than sign, less than sign, etc. They have two symbols on them. Some symbols are also placed over the numbers on the number keys, such as, now you can see some symbols are there. Just over the number keys from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, you will see some symbols are there. First one is exclamation, next @ next hash, next dollar, next percentage, next asterisk. So, and opening first bracket and closing first bracket. So these are the symbols on the number keys. We can type the upper symbols by pressing the shift key along with the number. Now how to type the upper symbols? We will have to press shift key along with the number. So now see, as you can see in the example, shift plus 1 will give exclamation sign. Shift plus 3 will give hash sign. Okay. Now see function keys. There are 12 function keys from F1 to F12 at the top of the keyboard. Each function key has a different job to perform. They perform a different job. So from F1 to F12, these keys are known as function keys. Next, caps lock key. This key is used to type letters in capitals. When we press caps lock key once on the keyboard, the caps lock light will turn on. How you will understand that caps lock key is pressed? Whenever you will press the caps lock key once on the keyboard, the caps lock light will turn on. We can then type capital letters. For example, when the caps lock is on, what will happen? Everything will come in capital letters. Now see, like CPU. Next key is the tab key. We can press the tab key to move the cursor several spaces forward at once. So this tab key will help the cursor to join, means to help the cursor to jump from one place to another. It will take you from one place to several spaces forward. Next, escape key. The short form of escape key is ESC. It is placed at the top left corner in most of the keyboards. This key allows us to cancel a task. So we can cancel a task using this escape key. We can come out from any game or any application with the help of this escape key, which you will see, which is placed at the top left corner in most of the keyboards. Now next is the mouse. This is a scroll mouse, computer mouse. Okay, what is a mouse? A mouse is a pointing device. It displays an arrow on the screen, which is known as the pointer. Let us study about various functions of a mouse. Now see the first function, single click or click. Releasing the left button of the mouse after pressing it, means you will have to press it once and again you will have to release the mouse button. That is known as single click. A single click is used for selecting an item. To select any item you will press it once. That is known as single click. Next comes double click. Releasing the left button of the mouse after pressing it twice quickly is called double click. So, if you press the mouse button twice very quickly and after that if you release the mouse button, that is known as double click. A double click opens the selected item. Any icon you can open with the help of double click. Any item also you can open using double click. Next is right click. Releasing the right button after pressing it once is called right click. Means you will have to press the right button once and release. It displays a list of properties of the selected item. So whenever you will right click on any item or even on the desktop, you will see a list will pop up. Like this, a list will pop up or come, will be visible to you. Okay. Next is drag. Drag means to move the mouse while keeping the mouse button pressed. You will have to keep the mouse button pressed. Which mouse button? Left mouse button you will press and then you will move. It is used to move an item. Any icon from one place to another you can move, or any item you can move to another location on the computer using this drag. What is the caution? Never spill anything on the keyboard or mouse. You should not spill anything on the keyboard or mouse, otherwise these devices will be damaged. Thank you. That's all for today, dear children. Read the chapter thoroughly and follow the next e-content. Thank you.